Your Facebook audience doesn't hold any value if they're not consisted of real people. There are too many fake hacks going around talking about how to get millions of followers in minutes or how to buy followers. Stay away from these methods. You do not want fake follower counts. What you do want are real Facebook followers who will later convert into customers. So I'm going to show you how to get real followers in this video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Super quick, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the marketing videos we put out every week that can help you grow your business. All right, without further delay, the first method to get real Facebook followers is to run Facebook ads. Now, there used to be a very specific page-like ad campaign you could run. With that campaign, the goal was directly to obtain new targeted page likes for your business. But if you saw my video on the new Facebook ad campaign objectives, you know that that campaign does not exist anymore. These are the new campaign objectives. At the top, it allows you to select from the old objectives you used to use, and it'll then tell you which of the new objectives you should select based on the outcome you're looking for. If you say you're looking for page likes, it says to choose the engagement campaign. Used to, you would click into the engagement campaign and then specifically select that you wanted page likes. But you can't do that now, and what's suspicious to me is that when you look at the things Facebook says the engagement campaign is good for, it says messages, video views, post engagement, and conversions. It doesn't say page likes, but neither do any of the other campaign objectives. So I guess this is now the best or closest thing Facebook has to offer regarding a page like ad. All that said, you will still be putting your ad in front of your target audience that you select in the ad set level. Your ad just won't have the like page button the old page like ads used to. So I would advise writing out that CTA in the caption and tell them what kind of content they can expect from you. For example, a page like ad from us might say something like us for daily marketing tips that can help grow your business. Now, some of you might be thinking, if the new campaign objectives aren't as specific or direct as the old ones were, why are you recommending it? I'm recommending it as an option to get real Facebook followers, emphasis on the word real. You can be assured that people who like your Facebook page as a result of an ad are A, specifically from within your target audience, not just any random person in the world, and B, a real person who saw the ad and decided to like your page. You want real followers because that's what's going to convert into real customers later. Buying fake automated bots as followers or performing a coding hack that just changes your follower count number without actually drawing in real people are both methods I would strongly advise against. Because first of all, if Facebook finds out you're doing any of those things, you could lose your page permanently. And second of all, it'll likely ruin your chances of getting real customers at all. People aren't dumb. They can definitely tell when your followers are fake because of your follower to post engagement rate ratio. How is it that you have 500,000 Facebook followers and 0 to 2 likes on any of your posts? It doesn't add up, and it just makes your page look sketchy. As a result, any real people who do land on your page are going to see that and back out immediately, never to return. I think a lot of people try to get followers quickly for the sake of vanity numbers and trying to make their page look legit so that other people will start following them. But when you do it the way I just described, it has the opposite effect. You kind of shoot yourself in the foot in the way of getting real followers or real customers from it. So in short, don't do that. Instead, let's look at another method in obtaining real Facebook followers. Method number 2 is running a giveaway. Now, I've talked about this method a lot on our channel, so I'm not going to spend too much time rehashing it again in this video. But essentially, you want to run a giveaway where the requirements to enter include liking your Facebook page. You want the prize to be something that your audience wants that's also related to your product or service. I see a lot of business owners giving away general items like an Amazon gift card. While yes, a $500 Amazon gift card might draw a lot of attention and get you a lot of page likes, you're likely going to lose a lot of those page likes as soon as the giveaway is over because an Amazon gift card is too general and doesn't have anything to do with what you offer. So with that, you're going to attract a lot of people who just want an Amazon gift card and don't actually have any interest in your business. A gift card to your own business would be a better option there because if people are entering to win that, then their intent is a little clearer. You can be more certain that they'll continue following you after the giveaway is over because they seem to be interested in what you sell. Karan has a whole video on running giveaways here with more ideas you can choose from, so I will link that below for you to watch next. Method number 3 is pointing any existing audience you have to your Facebook page. If you have an audience on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, anywhere really, take advantage of that. Cross-promote and put out content that links to your Facebook page with a CTA to follow you there. You can further encourage this by putting out content that is exclusive to your Facebook page, meaning they won't see the content you put out there on any other platform. And the fourth method to getting real Facebook followers is to invest in short video content. Facebook Reels have taken off just like Instagram Reels and TikToks have. Short videos are social media users' preferred media type these days, and as a result, short videos are going viral. You can have 500 followers and still have a reel pick up millions of views. That kind of brand exposure is bound to lead to more followers and eventually sales. And another perk is that short videos are going viral organically. If you don't necessarily have the ad budget right now to fund the first method we talked about today, this could be a good organic alternative for you to get some eyeballs on your brand. Just make sure the short videos you're creating are entertaining, humorous, educational, or a combination of the three. Don't waste the exposure you get with Reels on bad content that doesn't actually convert viewers into followers. If you need help getting started with Facebook Reels, check out this video. It's helped about 100,000 other viewers so far, so hopefully it can be a good resource for you as well. Otherwise, I hope you found today's video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you did, and I will see you in the next episode.